Honestly, there are fewer things in life that are better than Aroma Joe's iced coffee. Changed my life. And oh no! Stretched versus unstretched. Unstretched, although unstretched is kind of long, not gonna lie. I look crazy while talking to you guys like this in the beginning of the video. I'm getting my hair braided today. I've moved this appointment like 5 times because just getting my hair braided is just So I'm getting my braids done, knotless. I bought 2 colors. I couldn't decide between like the black and ombre. I think it was 1B and 27, and then pure black. And I know I always do pure black, but there's nothing quite like just pure black, you know. But I think I'm gonna do half of the ombre blonde, then half black. I was gonna mix it and do like one of each, but I think I'm gonna do half and half just to like spice things up. I feel like I never really go crazy with my hair, especially with braids and stuff. I keep it pretty, you know, black all the time. And I want to try something new. So this is the beginning of me trying something new. I take a section of my hair and I wet it with water. Just wet it and kind of like stretch it as I'm wetting. And then already it like that already stretches it out a little bit. And then I comb it out. And then I blow dry. And then we have the final products. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that transformation? And then I take this Shea Butter Hair and Scalp Conditioner and I kind of like massage it through the section, the newly straightened section. There we go. I now understand the importance of wetting your hair before combing it. I'm sorry to all the people all the advice I did not take earlier. I should have taken it earlier. You guys knew what you were talking about. This is the outcome of my stretching. I want to get like coffee though, so I'm gonna go get coffee right now and then go to the ATM and get cash so I can pay her after. It's the best thing because the coffee shop I like to go to, Aroma Joe's, it's right next to my bank. So it's like they're in the same little block, so I just do drive through for both, and it's my favorite. Like when both of those things are on my to-do list, is like my favorite thing to do because it's like, oh, just go to the bank and then get coffee. I feel like my hair has gotten to kind of like a stagnant point. Like I don't remember the last time it grew, like it looked longer than this. I don't remember it growing. Like I feel like every time I stretch it out, it's this same length. You know what I need to do? I need to do a silk press. That's what I need to do. That's what will show me what my hair actually is. I kind of want to do a silk press. What's annoying about that though is like you have to plan your hairstyles. Especially as a black girl, you have to plan like, okay, if I get braids today, which I am, I'm gonna have to keep them in for like an hour and not an hour. I'm gonna have to keep them in for like a month and a half because these are, well, depending on how long they last, but I hope they last a little bit more than a month because they're expensive, you know? So I get braids, they last a month and a half, but my birthday is at the end of this month. So that means I'm gonna have braids in for my birthday or take the braids out before my birthday, but then my birthday is in 2 weeks, you know? So what would be the point of getting my braids right now if I don't want braids for my birthday? You know, I have to like kind of plan it. Auntie Petra, no mama pesa me sha dear. Sesi amano ntina me buano, but me nam kwanso. Okay, bye. He just lied. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a great one.
You too. We're going to be braiding the hair outside, and I'm kind of excited because I haven't braided my hair outside like since I was in Ghana. You know, it's always inside a salon or a house, but like just like outside in the summer and nature, getting your hair braided. I'm a little too excited for this. I got Aroma Joe's, as you guys saw, but I got a chai latte, light ice. Light ice always, else they just fill it up with too much ice that you don't even get enough of the drink. So I got a chai latte, and there's like, honestly, there are fewer things in life that are better than Aroma Joe's iced coffee. Changed my life. And oh no! Go stand here. Go stand over there. Go back a little. Lift it up. And just record, okay? May I record it? May I record it too? Ah! What for you too? Oh my god.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah.
After 7 hours, we are done. Oh my gosh. Guys, they won't let me pay them. Every time I come to my aunties to do my hair, they won't let me pay them. Oh my god. Don't go to them expecting them it for free. They will charge you. I love the color. I didn't think this color was gonna turn out that good, which is why I was like, okay, let's do half and half. And low-key, I do kind of like the half and half. I wanted to try something new. But next time I will do all this color. Like, do you guys see that? I look amazing. I honestly look amazing. Wow. Everything looks better with makeup on, so I'm gonna get my makeup on. I'm gonna get my makeup done right now. I also have to film something because I'm bringing the podcast episodes back. Yay! So I'm gonna film that right after I finish my makeup. So this is TB1/27, and then this is just purely 1B or something. Yeah. And I'm in love with it. We started at 1:30 and finished at I think 8. Yeah, so like almost 7 hours. And they did such a good job. Oh my gosh. So neat, like superb braiding. So neat. And the ends, I wanted them curled. I didn't know how, but they had their own method of like wrapping it and then putting it in hot water and then like unbraiding it or unraveling it. So I've never had curls like these at the end of my braids. So it's something new for me, and I actually really like it. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about it, but I think it's fine. I like it. I wish it was a little longer though, because it just touches right at my back, or like right below my waist, but I wish it was past my butt. Who doesn't wish their hair was past their butt? Anyway, okay, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I am all set with my makeup. This is the final. My lip gloss was rolling away. Let's start it again. This is the final look. I'm just having another train of thought, like I need to get rid of all my clothes and get new ones. That's the thought that popped into my head, but that it's not even relevant right now, you know? This is just things my head does. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I really am loving the like half and half, because I can just bring some of these braids to this side, and ow, it kind of hurts a little though. But this is the power of knotless, because if this was knotted, I would not have been able to flip it over like that on the first day, or like after one day of having them. I can flip it like this way. Sorry, I'm looking at the mirror because I want to see how it looks. I would flip it this way to kind of have like a little mixed bag effect, but then this side, and then I can do the same for this side. I can put some in the middle and just have like one blonde one, one dark one, and maybe do like half up, up, down. What was that? Half up, half down, because I like to do that after a while though, because right now I can't even, like, it hurts when I lift it up. But yeah, and obviously, you know, this little thing right here, this little number right here, they did them so well. Like, this is what the back looks like. Okay, so that is the end of my braid vlog. Coming with me to get braids. Thank you guys so much for coming with me. It was a fun time, and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Okay, bye.